Hi, I'm Ryan Subong, and the title of our project is STUNT Science, a Physics Simulator Mobile Game. According to the results of the Program for International Student Assessment, last 2018, Filipinos fared worst among the 79 countries in reading literacy and second lowest in both mathematical and scientific theory. And in a published research of Dr. Corazon G. Pardo, physics is considered as the most problematic area within the realm of science, and it traditionally attracts fewer pupils than chemistry and biology. So all these findings simply means that we have problem with the physics subject with our senior high students. Since almost all students now own and use the cell phones not only for communication but for gaming as well, we decided to take advantage of the mobile technology to help students understand the science of physics by developing a physics-based educational game that is both effective in teaching and entertaining its users. To determine the content of the game, we used the curriculum design for General Physics 1 of DepEd to evaluate the topics in terms of demonstrability and playability. After careful evaluation with the participation of actual senior high physics teachers, we narrowed down our final content to velocity, acceleration, free fall, projectile motion, circular motion, and forces. With this final game content, we decided that each of these topic or levels will have three difficulty levels, which is easy, medium, and hard. And each of these difficulty level will have three stages. So all in all, this game will have a total of 45 stages. On the main gameplay interface of the game, students are given STUNT-themed puzzles that can only be solved through calculation of physics. Each scenario is described by a worded problem that is quite similar to the problem-solving exercises conducted in the classroom. The scenario also illustrates what is the worded problem looks like when drawn, which helps the student understand the problem better. Through manual pen and paper calculation, the student calculates their own answers, which they can enter into the game to validate if the answer is correct or not. After entering the answer, the game will then animate the result based on their answer. This is an actual footage of the game wherein the correct answer is entered and the animation demonstrates the achievement of the objective. But if the answer is wrong, the animation could be this or this. And this is another footage of the game. So as of now, we are working on the addition of graphics and sounds to the game, adding tutorial and solution hints, finalize other stages, and we are now planning the logistics of the evaluation activities to determine the impact of the game to the learning process of the students. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening.